Hey guys, Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am scrapbooking this photo of the First Order Stormtroopers armor, and the story that I have to tell has nothing to do with this particular photo, but this is the best that I have, so let's see what I can do. All right, here we go. Now I have pulled this striped paper from my kit, and I've also pulled this, I don't know what to call this kind of mandala-y paper. Now I am going to mat my photo on a big honking photo mat of white cardstock, and that is because I really want the attention to be on the Stormtrooper itself. Now this photo has a story behind it, and I do have a good amount of journaling on the page about it. So when Lana and I were in Star Wars Land and we were at the Millennium Falcon ride, we had the Stormtroopers come up, and they had a fantastic, magical interaction with Lana while we were in line. And the entire time we are just enjoying it and, bantering with them and having a fun time. And then after they leave, we're looking at each other and we're like, that was so cool. That was so cool. That was awesome. And then I'm like, I never took a picture. I was so in the moment, and just being in Star Wars Land was so immersive that I didn't even think to pull out my phone and snap a photo. And I was like, first of all, what kind of mother am I that, the stormtroopers are just interacting with my child for this amount of time and I don't pull out the photo? And then, like, what kind of scrapbooker am I that the photo was not taken? So later on, when we went shopping, there was the stormtrooper costume, outfit, whatever you want to call it. And I snapped a photo of that, and I knew that that was the photo I was going to use to tell the story of the amazing time Lana had with the stormtroopers that I did not photograph. Can't believe it. So I do decide to flip the layout, and that's because I knew that I wanted a decent amount of journaling, but I didn't want to really add any more paper to be able to get the journaling on the page. I thought about bringing in a wood grain for a hot second because, I am a big fan of a wood grain, but it just didn't go. So I pull out the sticker sheet that has been chilling with the purple kit, and I am going to pop this bad boy up on some fun foam and pop him in here. Now, you might be like, Sandy, you crazy wackadoo, like, what are you doing? Why are you doing stormtroopers and flowers? But I want to, so that's why I'm doing it. Like, that's the reason. I want to do it this way, so it is going to happen this way. I am going to overlap the little saying that is on that sticker, though, with this love banner. And then I realized I didn't even adhere my stormtrooper down to the photo, or rather the stormtrooper photo down to the layout. And then eventually I'm going to realize that my fun foam is kind of over top of the photo mat, even though I have fun foam underneath of it. So it's making, you can't really tell in the video, but it's making an awkward kind of lumpiness happen. I do catch that, not right away, but I do catch it. I decide to add these little XOs here just because. I mean, we're in Disney, we're in Star Wars Land, and we love the moment, so I figured an X and O works. And if you just don't feel that way, then that's cool. Like, don't feel like you have to scrapbook in any one way. Don't feel like you have to scrapbook like anyone that you see online, whether it is a famous person or it's just kind of like a regular just having fun with YouTube person. You don't have to scrapbook like me. You don't have to scrapbook like your friends in real life. You don't have to scrapbook like any way except for the way you like to do it. And you know, I like this kind of stuff. I don't I guess I don't want to take my scrapbooks too seriously. And I know that that probably sounds wrong, but I want them to be fun. Like, I feel like I'm a fun person. I feel like I have fun in life. And I want my scrapbooks to reflect that too. I don't want them to just be like, here is the memory. I want that, but I also want it to be fun. So, putting flowers with a stormtrooper and having a big old gold XO, that's fun. You guys, that's fun. And I like it. So, we're going to keep it. Now, I do add a couple words here. I have the Be Epic over here at the top of the Stormtrooper, and I'm thinking about, you know, cherish the moment, cherish it. Like I'm cherish something, okay? That doesn't quite work out because I don't have really the letter stickers to do it with, and my head is hurting, so I don't feel like Frankensteining my letters, which is normally something that I have no problems doing. Doesn't bother me. I don't get stressed out about it. It's just one of those things that I, you know, normally would like to do. Today is just not happening, guys. Like, it's just not happening. So I was thinking about cherish and wish. And then that way, you know, cherish the moment and wish you took the photo. But it just felt weird. Like, I'm looking at it and it just feels weird. So I'm not going to keep that. I do grab my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive and I am going to add liquid glue just to make sure that this stuff stays stuck down. There are things that I just think a liquid glue work great with. And some of those things are fun foam and puffy stickers. Like any of those kind of stickers, sequins, all that kind of good stuff just feels like it belongs. So then I write down my journaling, guys, and that is going to do it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.